Hello everyone, this is Max from Divi websites, and today I want to show you how you can create the Lightbox for image. More precise, how you can open your image in Lightbox with Divi. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, click like, and if this video was helpful for you, feel free to leave donations by this link under this video. Okay, so we have our default theme. Let's add some image there. It's some custom logo, never mind. We did it in previous video. Okay, so let's add some image and let's me show how to open it in the pop-up in the Lightbox. Okay, so first we need to add image. So we select the model, select image, and now we can have image. So now here is image. Let's make it a bit shorter like this, and let's put our image which I uploaded in previous video. Okay, we have a beautiful image here. Let's upload another one right here, which I can use myself. Okay. Okay, beautiful me. Where I am. Okay, beautiful me. And we have two images. So now to open it, to make it open in pop-up in Lightbox, you should click settings, scroll to bottom, and in link, click link, there is settings open in Lightbox. Let's click it, let's click save. Okay, and so let's check if it works or not. Okay, so let's copy the URL and let's do it this way. Okay, so this image is not clickable, and this one opens in beautiful Lightbox. If I will go back and click on this image and click link, open in Lightbox, okay, save, and let's check. Great. So both images opening in Lightbox. If I want to disable Lightbox, we should go to link and disable Lightbox. Same with this, click link and disable Lightbox. Okay, you can see the issue that if Lightbox enabled, you can click on it on link. Yeah, that's the issue. So this is limitation of this feature, but I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, feel free to leave my donations, subscribe. If you have questions, feel free to ask me and I'll create free tutorial for you. Have a nice day.